everybody, it's your boy Jay here with my review of the Donner Lavalier Microphone 100. I was fortunate enough to be able to get this in a giveaway from Donner Music on Instagram. So shouts out to Donner Music for being so generous to give me one of these lavalier microphones. I'm no stranger to Donner products because I also own the Donner podcast workstation, which I'll show it to you in my B-roll for those of you who are curious where I can record podcasts. But from time to time, I like to shoot content on the go. So that's when I love to be able to use my iPhone 14 Pro Max that I'm recording this video with to capture moments, to get video when I don't want to use my mirrorless camera for other projects. And so this lavalier microphone is very essential to being able to take out as much background noise as possible, especially if you are trying to bring about a point of something. So what I'm going to do is just unbox this lavalier microphone. So let's see what's inside. I'm going to flip the box, slide the contents out. And I'm going to just kind of rip through this paper in no sense of trying to be cute with it. So have charging cable. Nice little bag to keep things in after you're done recording for the day, for the hour, however you want to say that. Then this is the actual receiver that goes into the iPhone or Android device. So next what I'm going to do is I'm going to insert the lavalier receiver into the bottom of my iPhone. The next voice you will hear is from the mic. So what happens is once you insert into your iPhone, this light here will blink. Upon turning on the lavalier microphone, this will turn solid blue. That lets you know you're connected. So the next sound you're gonna hear is from the microphone itself. Let's go. So have the lavalier mic here. So what you are hearing is from the Donner Lavalier Microphone 100. Let's see if I decrease volume. I'm gonna go back up. And I'm assuming I'm maxed out at, it's 5 levels of gain. So I'm pretty sure I've clicked more than 5 times up and down. So I'm now maxed out. Outside, there's some construction going on behind me. So birds chirping. Let's see how much of my voice that you can actually hear from the lapel mic itself. Receiver is synced. Both receiver is solid blues, no longer blinking. So that's when you know that you have some solid audio. And so one of the things that was on the box for the Donner lavalier microphone was create the moment. And you will definitely create moments with this as you use your iPhone or Android on the go to be able to capture moments where you want to be the subject audio source and have some minimal background that you may be able to capture to make the content a little bit more organic. But this is nice. I love Donner products. And so this is your boy Jay signing out. Peace.